Next up, let's take a look at scale. So jumping into the deck that we created earlier, I'm going to create a new button just here, and we'll call this scale 100, because we're going to put it to max scale. It's similar to the scale command that we used previously, but this is adding motion as well. So if I edit this and add the commands, press the plus sign, go to scene switch and type in motion, you'll be able to see scale as an option there. We're going to select scale, the same scene that we've used previously, which is scene, the source image, and then the start scale, and the final scale is where we're going to start. So if I wanted to grow from, say, 0, so X and Y scale is 0, and the final scale is 1, because it kind of works on the ratio, so 1 being full size image, and the duration will do, say, 2000, so it takes 2 seconds to do. And again, we can do the smooth in, smooth out, as we've seen in the previous episodes. So I'm going to do smooth in and smooth out for now. Press done again, and then now I can open it up on here, and you'll see we'll start super small and we'll grow to full size. So that is the full size of my image there. As you can see, if I want it even bigger, I could go twice as big. So if I copy the scale now, copy this button, paste it here, and we'll edit the text like we've done previously, and I'll do 200 because it's 200% big, it's twice as big. So we'll edit the commands, and we'll change the final scale to 2. So it'll start at 0 and go to 2, and I can change the smoothing again, so no smoothing on this one. Press done again, press scale 2, and you'll see it'll grow twice as big this time. So if I went to 100, to 200, like so, you can see that just there. And as one final test, you can do it from different sizes as well, using variables as well. That's another thing that you can do. We're going to be covering variables later on after we've learned all the basics. So I'm going to copy this button, paste it here, and I'm going to do scale 100 to 200 just here. So I'm going to edit the commands, and this time we're going to start the scale at 1, and the final scale will be 2. So this time it'll start at first and then go bigger. So press done, and rather than it disappearing and blowing up, when we press 1 to 2, it'll zoom up like so. And if I did that again the other way around, so copy this button again and press paste, and we can edit, change the text. We can do 200 to 100. So you can kind of just create little things to zoom in and zoom out. So the start scale this time is going to be 2 because it's twice as big. Back down to 1, press done again, and then now you can zoom back out. So a really simple kind of zoom tool. This is a very simple way of doing it. There are other things that you can combine together to create crazy stuff as well.